The DJI Neo 2 is coming, and the rumors are already blowing the drone community away. From a next-generation flight controller and AI-assisted features to 4K or even 6K video recording and longer flight times, the Neo 2 promises to be a major upgrade over the original. But what exactly can we expect, and is it really worth the wait? In today's video, we're diving deep into all the confirmed specs, standout features, rumored pricing, and expected launch timeline, so you'll know whether the Neo 2 is the drone you've been waiting for. The DJI Neo 2 is generating significant buzz in the drone and tech communities, as enthusiasts eagerly await its rumored release. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. As the rumored successor to the popular DJI Neo, the Neo 2 is expected to combine cutting-edge technology, advanced flight capabilities, and a host of innovative features that will appeal to both hobbyists and professional drone pilots. While official details remain scarce, leaks and industry speculation provide a detailed picture of what to expect. In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far about the DJI Neo 2, from rumored specifications and standout features to its potential launch timeline, helping you decide whether it's worth waiting for or considering as an upgrade from your current drone. Starting with the design, the DJI Neo 2 is rumored to adopt a compact yet robust build that balances portability with durability. DJI has a history of designing drones that are both lightweight and highly maneuverable, and early images suggest the Neo 2 will continue this tradition. The foldable arm design allows for easy transport, making it suitable for travel, adventure photography, and urban exploration. The materials used are expected to include high-strength plastics and lightweight alloys, giving it resilience without compromising flight performance. Early rumors also hint at a slightly improved aerodynamic design, which could reduce drag and increase flight efficiency, allowing for longer flight times. Flight performance is expected to see notable improvements in the Neo 2. Leaks suggest the drone will feature a next-generation flight controller with enhanced GPS and obstacle avoidance capabilities. DJI's proprietary stabilization technology is rumored to be upgraded, providing smoother flight even in windy conditions. The Neo 2 is expected to achieve flight speeds exceeding its predecessor, with improved battery efficiency potentially allowing for up to 40 to 45 minutes of flight time per charge. For drone enthusiasts who prioritize extended flight sessions for aerial photography or videography, these improvements could make a significant difference. Camera technology is always a key selling point for DJI drones, and the Neo 2 appears to be no exception. Rumors indicate a high-resolution sensor capable of 4K or possibly 6K video recording, paired with an upgraded gimbal system for superior stabilization. The camera may include a larger sensor size than the original Neo, allowing for better low-light performance and improved dynamic range. Enhanced AI-assisted tracking modes, such as Active Track and Point of Interest, could make capturing cinematic footage easier than ever. For both professional videographers and hobbyists, these camera improvements could be a decisive factor when considering an upgrade. In addition to camera upgrades, DJI is rumored to integrate several new smart features into the Neo 2. Advanced AI flight modes could allow for automated flight paths, intelligent object recognition, and improved obstacle detection. Features like auto hover, return to home, and advanced mapping capabilities